So we have a question here where they're trying to ask you to convert this data into a pie chart. And it's the country of Sweden. We have 58% of our country line is with forest, 8% is farmland, 8% is lakes and rivers, and the rest is 25%, mountain ranges and things like that. So I'd like you to convert it into a pie chart. Percentage doesn't help us very much to make a pie chart. We need to think about the properties of a circle. We know that if we were to go around the whole circle, if we were to fill this with 100%, we'd have 360 degrees. So our full circle has 360 degrees. So 58% of our circle would have the percentage as a decimal multiplied by what we would have in 360 if it was a full circle. So 100% would have 1 times 360, that would be 360 degrees. So forest will have 58% as a decimal, that's 0.58, multiplied by 360 degrees. That would give us how many degrees we should represent the forest as. 8% as a decimal is 0.08 times 360. 9% is 0.09 times 360. And 25% is 0.25 of 360 degrees. But we know that 0.25 or 25% is just a quarter. A quarter of a circle we know is 90 degrees. 360 divided by 4 is 90. So that one's nice and easy. 0.09 is 32 degrees. 0.08 is 29 degrees. And 58% is 209 degrees. So now we know what degrees we need to draw on our circle, and we usually use colour pens for the different colours, and we'll do that as well at the end. Let's start with the easiest one, which is our other. The 90-degree angles are nice and easy to draw. Start with drawing a vertical line to say this is the start of our circle from the top down. Now we need a 90-degree angle. So we start here using our protractor. Make sure that we're in line. Let's extend this line up so we actually see where is our starting point. So we get the starting point on the protractor nice and clearly. Put our center point against the middle point of the protractor and draw 90 degrees, which is out here. So here we have our perpendicular 90 degrees. This is our other. From that we need a 32-degree angle. So we put our protractor at the end of the forestry mark and go down 32 degrees. 10, 20, 32. Which will give us a line. And we don't need to draw the line all the way out here to the dot. We just take it to the end of the circle. This is our lakes and rivers. At 9%. We now want a 29-degree angle from that, so we put our protractor at the right point with the center point here from the protractor in the middle point of the circle, and we go around 29 degrees, which would be here, and we draw our line out to that point, 29 degrees here, and that is our farmland. And if we've done everything correctly, we should have first 180 degrees, plus how many more degrees do we have to add on to that? 180, 190, 209 degrees. And this is our forest. So to finish off a pie chart, all nice and neatly at the end, we'd give each of them different colours. It seems sensible to have our forest as being green. Makes a pie chart very easy to read with the colours there. Or, let's... forest is represented by a green dash. What about our farmland? We'll colour that blue. And represent that here. Although it would have been more sensible to have the lakes blue, sorry. Lakes are going to be black, which is maybe what they'll end up being if we don't actually start improving on how we take care of them. And then our other left over as red. So any percentage data that they give us, we can use to turn it into quite an accurate pie chart by calculating the number of degrees we need and then using a protractor to measure accurately on the pie chart those number of degrees.